famous jungle river cruise. I'm your skipper. My name is Leon. Hello everyone. Hello. Before we start this journey, safety first. Everyone now, please fasten your seatbelt. The seatbelt should be under your chair. Can you see it? No? Oh yeah, I forget there's no seatbelt. Look after your children or else crocodile will. You see? Get ready for your butt. And we make every part of your body inside the boat. Alright, let's begin the journey. First things first, everyone, please. What about this one? The Treehouse, Tarzan Treehouse. Well, it's closed now, so nothing to see over there too. What about in the front? Elephant, that's correct. What is he doing? He's using his trunk. Be careful, don't get wet. Oh, he's still learning. You should be fine. Now that is something you need to worry. He's taking a bomb. Oh, look at all those rings on top of him. He must be taking for so long. Uh-oh, there's one more. Elephant father. Get up, he's gonna spray.
Just kidding. Oh no.
Okay, I think he's out of water. And he made me go to the wrong
spider,
side.
no, no,
I
big
never
one.
been there. Look at that! Oh, big spider. Don't try to get bite, everyone. Be smart. You only get points. They are the potential of this land. Ah! Look! There's another one right here. Oh, look! Your shirt! Oh, it's beautiful. I like your shirt. Where you get that? Tell me later. Because the king of the crocodile. Color is different. Can you tell which one? No? Oh yeah, that's okay. I don't know which one either. Moving on to the next place. Yeah, hi, good job, alright? Alright, never mind, we're getting past. What a big gorilla. Almost hit my boat. Now we arrive the alpha of the Anyway, do you know how to tell the difference between a male and a female zebra? Look at the far left one over there. The male zebra always white color with black strip. Because she's on your right hand side and the woman is always right. Okay? Remember that? Now moving on. Oh, there's something hiding. What's that? Hippo! No, he's coming! You smell that? Stink! Alright, brush your teeth. Alright, better get going. Uh-oh. Oh no. What's that?
Oh look, skeleton.
There's lots of tree in here! Oh, let's go nearby. You still want to go in? Yeah, alright, let's go. Just remind, if you feel danger, hold tight your head this time, not your butt.
Oh, Luna outside.
You see the dangerous guy?
Oh, Hiro.
Yeah, they are here, be careful!
Yes, ma.
Wow. Alright, everybody, hurry, take a quick check. Your hat still here? Yeah, good. Who said no? You again, huh? You see? Exit, okay? Over there. No more danger. Oh, there's one.
Oh no!
Don't worry, one more in a ride. Oh no. He's gone. Gotta go back. Guys. Alright, I think it's time to say goodbye to the elephant. Bye bye. Now one last important thing. When you leave my boat. Oh no! Look at that! Fire! I know, this is everybody okay? Good.